Hello, my name's Eva. I used to keep the accounts and records at Woodbridge Tide Mill, keeping track of all the flour that the mill produced and all of the wonderful wheat that grows so well in East Anglia. It needs lots of work from the farmer, though, to ensure a good harvest. First, in the autumn, the farmer ploughs his fields. The tractor pulls the plough through the soil. The plough has large, curved blades that are shaped to cut, lift and turn the soil. Can you see how the plough buries the weeds and stubble and breaks up the soil? This helps to get it ready for growing the next crop. Next, the farmer tills the soil. After the plough has brought the deeper soil to the surface, tilling breaks the soil into smaller pieces and smooths the surface ready for the wheat seeds to be planted. The wheat is sown by a machine called a seed drill, towed by a tractor. The wheat seeds flow down those white tubes into grooves cut in the soil by the seed drill. The wheat seeds sit in the soil, absorbing water and food. When they are ready, they germinate. The seed sends out a root and then a shoot. The root heads downwards and the shoot heads for the surface. The roots help the seed to absorb more food and water. The shoot sprouts through the soil surface and becomes a leaf, allowing the plant to absorb sunshine. This is what wheat germination looks like speeded up. Can you see the roots in the shoots forming? Here's the process so far. The seeds are planted in the soil. They germinate and sprout. Once the plant has formed leaves, it is known as a seedling. Once in the sunshine, the seedling continues to grow. After a lot of growing, during which the farmer will have fed and watered the seeds and protected them from pests and diseases, the wheat plant produces flowers. Wheat flowers are small, very small, and rather beautiful. The flowers consist of the stamens, at the end of which are the anthers, where the pollen is stored. The anthers are on the ends of long filaments, so that they can move in the breeze. The stigma have feathery branches that catch the pollen that has been blown on the wind. This process is known as pollination. Once the plants are pollinated, the wheat plant continues to grow and the ovules inside the ovaries produce lots of new seeds. Now the wheat is ready to be harvested. Huge combine harvesters cut the wheat. The combine harvester separates the wheat seeds from the stalks. And then the seeds are collected in trailers. The farmer keeps some of the seed to plant the next crop. Most of it, though, is sent to be made into breakfast cereal or flour. And that's where the wheat that we grind at the Tide Mill comes from. You can learn more about the milling process and how we make flour in another Tide Mill video. Take care. Bye now.